guys, welcome back to the new video, and today we'll be working with Porsche Turbo 911. And firstly, for the Porsche we'll be removing driver seat, and then we'll start removing the center console side parts. So first we have to remove the cap of the seat. Use a flat screw. Just pop up the plastic hook and remove it. So it's very easy which comes out. And then take a ratchet. The size is E12. So use the size E12 and loosen up all the screws front side. So once you remove the screws from front, move the seat forward and remove the another two more screws, which is back side. And need to remove the connections which is under the seat. To remove that, we have to disconnect the battery first. As I said before video as well, that it's better to disconnect the battery once before we remove the airbag connections. So there is a chances of exploding or errors in the display. So once battery is disconnected, now remove the connections. Just pull the black trigger and remove the yellow color one, which controls all the connections. Here I am using a plastic hook T20 to remove all the plastic parts. To remove that center, we are using size 13. And now near the seat belt, remove the plastic and so the seat belt lock has a 16 number size. So remove both the side seat belt lock. So once removed, then pull out the rear seat parts. which is fixed with Velcro. So you need to pull it a bit harder so you get to remove it from the Velcro. So once the rear seat is removed, now it's turn to remove the armrest. So firstly we'll be removing a plastic piece which is fixed into the armrest, and that piece is very delicate, so we should make sure that it doesn't get broken at any chance. So now we'll remove the armrest cover, and I'm using T20 here to remove all these 8 screws. And guys, if you find the video interesting or informative, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so you get all the notifications. And here I could see a spring which is fixed with the armrest, so I'll remove that first. And then there is a connecting rod in between. So just use some metal hook or flat screw and push that connecting rod at the one end. Slightly play with it and remove the armrest. There is a small connection which is for the lighter. There is a side panel, plastic panel, which is fixed with the center console. So just slowly play with it and pull it towards upside. So when you pull it towards upside, it is easily coming out. So these are the hooks which is sliding into the center metal. The same we do it on the other side as well. And if you have any doubt with the video, please do drop a message in the comment box and I'll get back to you guys. The tools which I have used is E12 extension with ratchet, small flat screw, and